Hey y'all. It is like 4:30 in the morning and we are here at the airport about to go to Baltimore. What you doing, Jose?
I'm trying to pay a thing.
Jose, what are you doing?
I'm cooking. Want to see a knife trick?
Oh wait, no. Is this like a good thing or a bad thing? Am I gonna die? Is something gonna...
I'm gonna throw it up in the air.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna. You crazy?
Jose, what are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Or
Or I should say, where are we going?
I don't know yet. I have no idea.
Jose, what are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
We're at Banana Republic because this guy's got a show Saturday.
It's my thesis show.
His thesis show, because he's an art student. He's amazing.
I'm an artist.
You're an
I'm a
artist.
student.
Yes. Where can we find you? Where can we find your work, sir?
Hashtag, no, I don't know.
Don't you have like a website or something?
Yes, Jose Alvarado Studio.space.
Yes. Check him out, guys. Check him out.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Jose, what are you doing?
Oh.
This food is so good. Compliments to the chef #1, to the waiter #2, to Jose #3 for taking me to this place. The Penny Black is what it's called. This little restaurant, but these crab cakes are amazing. I'm about to finish. Oh my gosh! So I'm staying in this place called the Penny Black. It's this lovely little restaurant in Baltimore, near the harbor. So far, this trip is really nice.
I'm good. I just need some water.
Just water.
Okay. Here's one.
So everything so far has been really nice. It's been cool just to get away from Wichita, get away from work, and just chill. Yesterday we walked all along the inner harbor up to Federal Hill. Great views up there. We walked about 7 miles. I think it was maybe 8 miles. I was very tired. But so far it's been good. We'll see how the rest of this trip goes. Jose, what we doing?
We walk in an alley.
My mama told us not to go in the alleys, Jose. What we doing? Something's gonna happen. I can just feel it. I can feel it. He's taking us into his inner sanctum. Hofburger Studios. Oh wow.
Now look.
I'm not looking at all this mess.
This is Mika's work.
Ah.
Maureen's work. This used to be my old studio.
This was?
Uh-huh.
Oh wow.
Now it's like a communal space. And this is my studio.
Oh wow.
So it's pretty empty right now, but there would be art here. So
That's awesome. There's one little thing. Look at this view though. Oh my. Okay. That's not too bad.
yeah, sunset.
All that.
We're chilling in Hampton right now. I'm about to pick up Jose's friend Hannah. We're gonna go pick her up. She's staying in the Airbnb.
Over a biscuit. You should come up here.
Trying not to bust my head on anything.
Right there.
Ooh, are you okay?
You just said like I'm trying not to bust my head, and I was like, gosh.
Y'all, we're already at the end of the trip. It is Saturday at like 4:55 and we're done. I'm like so sad, like a little bit low-key. It just hit me maybe like 15 minutes ago that I'm actually leaving Baltimore. I'm going back to boring ass Wichita. I'm just, what's the word? I can't even think of the word right now. But yeah, it's bittersweet because I'm gonna miss my friends. It was cool chilling with everyone for the week. It was cool also seeing Jose's show. Mad props to that dude because he can paint his whole ass off and more. So yeah, now we gotta go through security to all that nonsense so I can fly on this plane. So hopefully ain't no snakes on the plane, okay? Oh, also, bless up number 3 because we didn't get an exit row seat, but we got a window, so we still good. So, all right, I'll check back in later. Deuces. Yo, guess who got stuck in an airport in Chicago O'Hare? This guy. You don't know how he got stuck in Chicago O'Hare? Because I was not paying attention to what was going on. And instead of, being a attentive traveler, I decided to just, talk on the phone, not mind my business, just get completely unaware. Flight was delayed a little bit. They didn't tell me exact time. They said to stay there. I didn't stay there. I was on the phone. They did the intercom thing, but my headphones were on, so obviously I didn't hear them. So now I'm spending the night in Chicago, in the airport. You hear that thing? They had said my name on that and I missed it. I missed it. They booked me another flight, so shout outs to American Airlines. That was nice. They did good. Now I got 9 hours to waste away in an airport. So we gonna do that now, I guess. Find somewhere to sleep, hang out, chill, I guess. Cause I'm not paying no money for no hotel. I'm not doing that. For one night, we just gonna deal with the discomfort. I have Monday off anyway, so I can sleep off Monday. I'm gonna miss 8 o'clock mass because I missed the connecting flight. Called my pastor, told him about that. Emailed all the choir members of that choir and let them know everything's gonna be okay. So we should be good. So we'll see how this night goes. Yo, I just realized I ain't got myself to wash my face. I'm about to take out my contacts and just throw them away because I ain't got nothing to put them in. I'm gonna throw my glasses tomorrow morning. That's okay. gonna have to do like a bird bath or something when I wake up? Like, how am I supposed to like clean? This is why you don't miss your flight. Exactly why, for these reasons right here. But okay. I'm just about to grin and bear it and go and I guess do what I can. There's a bathroom right there, so we gonna figure it out. Y'all, so we're in this family restroom right now. Just wash my face, throw out my contacts because I have no way to keep track of them. But we're gonna go try to fall asleep and get maybe 7 hours of sleep or so before the flight takes off. The flight leaves at 7:20. Boarding starts at 6:50, so I will wake up at about 6:30 and try and mosey my way on over there. We just gonna see. Y'all stay close. This has been an adventure, being trapped in an airport. Not trapped, but stranded, stuck, whatever you wanna call it. Anyway, y'all, I said let me eat something before I go to sleep, right? Cause I figure if I'm gonna be sleeping, I'll be burning calories. I need to put something in my belly so that way I burn the food instead of just burning my own body, right? I'm walking by the little mirror, the little TVs where they have all the departures and stuff. And the gate that our flight done changed. And I'm just thinking, how the heck that gonna change so quickly in the middle of the night? Like that. Like, how does that even happen? So I'm just thinking, I'm glad that I looked now, so that way it didn't like strike me as a surprise when I woke up in the morning. But the crazy thing is that it's the gate that I was at before I even did all this mess. So I had to walk all the way to the other side of the airport for nothing, to walk all the way to the other side of the airport again. So I'm gonna go there and eat my food, and then I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up in 6 hours. So, okay. Y'all, why the gate keeps changing? It is like 1:15 in the morning, and now it says it's gonna be L10A when it was G10, but then it was L11A, but then it was G14. Like, can we pick a gate? Do we know where it's gonna be? Like, I'm gonna wake up and it might be something different. It might change 5 more times before now and then. So I'm all confused. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just trying to stay sane, I guess. We just here right now. Y'all see Wichita almost to the bottom, 9:20 a.m. What time is it now? 4 a.m. A little more than 3 hours. I'm exhausted. I can't sleep, so we're just gonna stay up, I guess, for like 24 hours or so. Okay, y'all, I'm not even trying to be funny, but it is now 4:19, so it has been approximately, 16 minutes? And the gate has already changed again. I'm through playing with this. Like, why? Well, y'all, I have now had the pleasure of seeing the sunset and now seeing it rise. We done leveled up because I got me a cinnamon dolce latte, 2 shots of espresso because I need the energy. I have not slept all night, and now gotta get on a plane for 2 hours and go straight to work. Life is good. Life is what it's gonna be today. It is 6:46. We have boarded the plane. I'm about to finally go home after being away for about 5 days. Well, almost going on to 6 days now since it's technically Sunday. It's been a journey. Y'all, it is 9:16. Finally back in Wichita. I am thoroughly exhausted. I slept on the plane, but I didn't sleep too good because I don't know, my ears were popping and all that stuff. I'm gonna use the restroom, and I'll talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. I'm sorry about the glare, if there's a glare. Hold on, we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this, there we go. So, got to the baggage claim, went to the customer service, got my bag because it was here since last night because it was on the plane and I didn't make it. With like an hour of sleep in the airport, maybe, and 2 hours on the plane. I'm about to go to 11 o'clock mass and play with the kids, no less. And then I have the gospel choir at 5. And then at least I have Monday off, so that'll be a cool recoup day to get as much sleep as I can. This trip has been, besides this last day of traveling, which obviously was a mess, and that was completely my fault because I was just being negligent of what I needed to do at that moment. This trip was just very nice. It was a great break. It was a nice breath. It was a nice pause.
I think that's something that we need to remember to do and take for ourselves, or some more pauses in life. And so I feel, I don't know, it wasn't necessarily one of those trips where it's like, let me do some introspection. It was really just to get away from Wichita and get away from work and get away from those responsibilities and just have fun. Just have fun, especially since I was spending it with some really good people. Best friend Jose being one of those people, but then also Christina, Hannah, his roommates, Sarah, she's very, very cool. Who else was there? Oh, and then Wendy, her cousin Olivia, I was able to meet her. I was able to meet Jose's girlfriend, Catherine. She's also very bubbly and cool. I feel like I've met her in either a previous life or like that type of spirit, that type of bubbly personality. I don't know. But yeah, so it was a good trip. Ate all the foods, saw a lot of things, had a few drinks, not too many because I got sick a little bit on the tail end of the trip. I just can't, I'll tell y'all what, I can't wait to go to sleep tonight and get in my bed. But yes, I don't know. It's weird being back in Wichita because it's such a calm city. And Baltimore was much more bustling, was much more busy. I'm gonna let this be the end of the vlog actually. So we're gonna roll that footage. If you guys wanna watch last week's video, it's up there. If you wanna watch a playlist, it's right there. And then obviously click on that subscribe icon right there. And I will see you guys next time. I'll actually do a hair video since I'm back in town and I'm, back on my regular schedule. So until next time, keep it locked, alright? Peace.